Hi guys, in this video we are going to install last chill out gaming app which I am using. So chill app is the app and games which I am playing when I'm not working or do something productive. So let's install Battlenet and then Hearthstone. Yeah, CS2 and Hearthstone are the only two games I am playing right now. So let's go to our web browser, go to slackbuilds.org, find wine staging, download Slack build package and wine staging source downloads. Login as root again. Okay, where am I? Okay, so CD downloads and unpack wine staging.tar.gz, copy wine staging 11.tar.gz to wine staging folder, and copy wine 11 to wine staging folder. Go to wine staging folder and run wine staging Slack build, and let's wait till package will be ready to install. While the package is preparing to install, I'd like to add a comment to the previous video where I was installing Counter-Strike 2 on XFWM4 desktop environment, because when I entered the game, yeah, it started to work, blah blah blah. I did my setup, my graphical setting, etc. I entered test deathmatch and I had 500-600 FPS, but the game worked like it was 100. Yeah, it was laggy. It wasn't smooth. I don't know how I should like describe it. So I went through some internet. I went through NVIDIA settings. So I'd like to show it for you. So first, let's go to NVIDIA settings, where I went in X server display configuration, advanced, and I forced composition pipeline. In OpenGL settings, I uncheck sync to VBlank and check this, unchecked this. What's more, here I've chosen override application settings. And that's all. And I still had this stuttering. Maybe this is how I can describe it. Yeah. So just the game wasn't smooth. And then I went to XFWM4 tweak settings. Go to compositor, and I uncheck enable display compositing, and probably that was the solution of my problem. So right now the game is working like it should. Yeah, so no lags, no stuttering, no like FPS ticks, everything smooth, fine and stable. So yeah, let's wait for this package to install. Okay, so our wine staging package has been created, so we go and install it. Okay, let's see, is it installed? Which wine gives us user being a wine, so it's installed. So now I have downloaded Battlenet setup before, so let's run wine Battlenet setup exe, not as root, cancel. Who am I? I'm still root. Right now I am user. Wine Battlenet exe setup. Install wine mono. Let's install this in Polish language, so my native. Okay, let me log in. And as you see, our Battlenet working perfectly fine. I can click install Hearthstone. So the only game I play. It's downloading right now, and I'll be able to play it in a few minutes. So thank you for watching, and to the next video. Bye.